interesting information about Malaysia. Malaysia follows a unique monarchy. The national currency of Malaysia is the ringgit. One of the old names of Malaysia, Aurea Chersonesus, means island of gold. Malaysia has a population of more than 31 million. 50% of the population are Malaysian. The rest include Chinese, Indians, and other local people. Malaysia is the third largest producer of natural rubber in the world. Malaysia is world's largest population of king cobras. Malaysia receives more than 23.6 million visitors every year. The highest point in Malaysia is Mount Kinabalu, in the island of Borneo at an elevation of 13,435 feet. The world's largest cave chamber is located in the island of Borneo. In terms of land area, Malaysia is roughly the size of New Mexico. Malaysia is the only country in the world that is spread over an archipelago between Asia and Oceania. Badminton was invented by the Sidak brothers from Malaysia. Borneo is the third largest island in the world, after Greenland and New Guinea. The island is shared by 3 countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, and the independent Kingdom of Brunei. Pomelo, the world's most common citrus fruit, is native to Malaysia. The tallest tree in the world is in Malaysia, Tulang, which is 262 feet in height. The national dish of Malaysia is nasi lemak. Rice is cooked in coconut milk. Brewed tea is the national drink of Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur has a record 200 days of rain in a year, while Kuching has a record of 253 days of rain in a year. Yellow is banned in Malaysia. Hundreds of protesters wearing yellow t-shirts in 2016 took to the streets of Kuala Lumpur to demand the resignation of the Prime Minister.